Hello, this is Mrs. Lopez, and we are going to go back to affixes. This is on page 32, or slide 32 in the grab and go. And as we're looking at this, we've already looked at non, un, dis, and miss, which are nots and wrongs, and dis is to separate or not. Miss is wrong, where these are more just no. Then we have li, which is how we do something, full of, and then we have en to make, re, again or back, pre, before, pro, for. And now we are moving on to in, im, ill, and ear, which all mean not. So not only do we have 3 knots up here, but we now have 4 more, which makes 7 prefixes that all mean it is not whatever the rest of the word is. So we have invisible, which would then mean not visible, can't see it. Or, and see, we can't see it because it wasn't highlighting. Still not highlighting. So invisible that we can't even get to it. Okay, so we have that there. And then we have im, meaning not with impatient. I was trying not to be impatient while my clicking and dragging was not working. So not patient, cannot wait would be what that would mean. Then illiterate. And illiterate means not literate, but what does literate mean? Literate means that you can read, and so illiterate would mean not having the ability to read. Those words are still invisible. And then ear. Irrational. Irrational would be not rational, which would mean that it does not make sense. So those are our 4 new not words. And with all of these, they're not interchangeable. I couldn't say non-patient. That would not be the correct word. I would use impatient. I would not say unliterate. I would say illiterate. So some of this comes down to just memorizing the different things. There are similarities. Generally, if a base word starts with an R, then you would use the ear. If it starts with an L, you would use the ill. So there are some things that are patterns, but more than the pattern is knowing that there's some words that you just need to make sure that you memorize which beginning matches, and that they all mean not.